everybody, welcome back to Alleyways, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make buffalo chicken dip. This dip is amazing. It's not only my favorite, but Meredith's favorite.
Wait, I have mascara on my nose.
Meredith's favorite, my family's favorite. We eat it all the time. I wanted to share the recipe with you guys because you only need a few ingredients and about 10 minutes to put it together, but it tastes amazing. Let's get started. The only ingredients you'll need will be 2 cans of chicken breast, a bottle of wing sauce, a bottle of ranch, a block of cream cheese, and 1 bag of shredded cheddar cheese. I promised you guys that this was super easy. You're about to see how easy it really is. All that I've done to prep the food is I shredded the chicken in its can with a fork before, and I let the cream cheese soften. I like to start obviously with no heat, and I pour all the chicken in. And then I add the buffalo sauce and turn on the heat. Next, we're gonna add in our ranch. The recipe does call for an entire bottle, but sometimes I like to do just a little less because I don't like the dip to be too runny. So when I feel like I've used about 3/4 of a bottle, that's when I stop. Next, we're gonna add in our cheddar cheese. You're gonna take an entire bag and pour everything but about 1/2 cup into the pan. The 1/2 cup you're gonna wanna set aside for when this is done and ready to go in the oven. You're gonna pour cheese over the top. Last but not least, I'm gonna add just 1 block of cream cheese. 2 was looking like a lot to me, and I do this last so the cream cheese has time to soften. Now I've got all the ingredients mixed and melted, and I could either put them in 1 9x13 or 2 8x8s. I'm doing 2 8x8s because I'm going to 2 different Christmas parties this weekend. So let's fill our pans. I filled both pans, and now I'm going to top them with the cheese that we set aside earlier, and just do a fine layer on the top. And then once you've done that, you stick them in the oven and you bake them at 350 until they're bubbling on the top. And that is all there is to this. You guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Thanks for spending your time watching this video today. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Alleyways. Bye!